Back here at home, lanes are still shut down in West Houston this morning after a deadly crash.
Yeah, police tell us a woman riding in a car was killed. Channel 2's Jake Reiner is at the scene on South Gessner in Westheimer. He joins us now with details that he just learned in the past few minutes. Jake.
Good morning, Sophia and Anusha. You can actually see some of the damage right behind me here. You see that damaged car, and then behind it you can see some water spewing up. That is a sprinkler system that police say that this car rammed into. That's the end of this crash. Let's tell you about the beginning of it. Show you some video that we shot earlier. Police say that this car was traveling down South Gessner towards Westheimer when it lost control. The driver hit that sprinkler system, also ran into this LA Fitness sign and crashed. The person in the back rear passenger seat was ejected and flown onto the pavement here. Unfortunately, she died. The two others in the car are okay. Now, the driver is being tested for DWI, and actually moments ago we just saw someone being tested for DWI in underneath a gas station awning. We don't know if that's the actual driver, but police are still on scene investigating this, and that driver could be in a lot of trouble if there is alcohol or drugs in his system at the time of this crash. Reporting live, I'm Jake Reiner, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Okay, Jake Reiner, thank you.